So we use the solar panels on the school rooftops as a learning tool, right? It's a real life situation, and it contextualises not only solar energy but electricity for the students, so that they really understand their local generation of energy and how much energy they're using, as well as the global demand for electricity and what happens when we don't have solar power. All of our workshops and assemblies are really interactive, so they involve lots of questioning of the students to see what they already understand about solar, about energy and electricity. But we also have something called a Solar Explorer Kit, which helps the students to really demonstrate to each other how solar works, from nighttime to daytime in different weather conditions, and also what happens when solar isn't working, because solar is an intermittent energy and we need the national grid. They need other sources of energy when it's not working. We're really trying to help students to understand what energy is, the concept of energy. For example, what a kilowatt hour is. To know that is really empowering. Once they know that, they can make more informed decisions about their own energy use.
Some people came in and taught us about the solar panels and then the climate, and made us understand it more why we were installing the solar panels.
Today I'm delivering an assembly at Spinfield. I'm going to be showing them some of the live data that we share with schools that have installations with us.
Of course, the children, they are so enthusiastic. Projects like this, they just love.
I really enjoyed making the solar panel circuits.
Taught my mum and dad about solar panels and my grandparents, and I think it will hopefully help them to understand why it's such a big achievement for us and what they can do to the world.
Myself and my family invested in the school fundraising project by donating money to the fundraising campaign, as we as a family agreed that it was something very important, not only to our school but to the wider community and the world in general. I would say to anyone thinking about investing in solar for schools to 100% go with it. I think it's a wonderful project. It has saved our school a huge amount of money already, and it has taught the children of our school important lessons about how to protect the planet and climate change moving forward.
To me, it seemed to be this is the next step, saying if I can help other people with the same aim, although my helping would be very, very small, nevertheless, it's one raindrop joined by many, many others that makes a pool, a puddle, a lake, etc.